Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're taking a look at a fantastic smart projector that's perfect for both home and outdoor entertainment, the HAPPRUN projector. This model is packed with features that make it a compelling choice for anyone looking for a versatile and high-quality viewing experience. The standout feature of this projector is its impressive picture quality. It boasts a native 1080p resolution and supports 4K decoding, delivering a sharp and detailed image. At 2000 ANSI lumens, it's bright enough to provide a clear and vivid picture even in rooms with some ambient light. The projector also has intelligent auto-correction features like autofocus, which means setup is incredibly fast and hassle-free. You'll have a perfect image in just a couple of seconds. This is a true smart projector, running on Google TV with official Netflix certification, which is a huge deal for streaming enthusiasts. You can directly access Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, and a huge library of other apps without needing an external streaming stick. For audio, the projector is equipped with a powerful built-in sound system with Dolby Audio, which provides a rich and immersive sound experience. This means you won't necessarily need an external soundbar for a great movie experience. With built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, you can easily connect to your devices for streaming or audio. Whether you're looking to host a movie night in the backyard or upgrade your living room, this HAPPRUN projector is a versatile and convenient choice. It's a great option for movies, sports, and casual gaming, providing a fantastic big screen experience. Click the link below for the best price.